The system is choking you. Feel it. The weight of gatekeepers who decide who rises and who's crushed, who gets capital and who smells the dust. You grind every damn day, pouring blood and sweat into ideas that could shake the planet. But guess what? They yank the leash tight, telling you, no, not you. Institutions, those so-called guardians of progress, are just massive machines built to protect their own power, their own comfort. They've turned meritocracy into a rigged game, rewarding pedigree over passion, certificates over courage, favoritism over fire. You know it. You feel it deep in your bones. That searing anger when a brilliant idea dies because some expert says no. That suffocating frustration when innovation is filtered through old, broken channels, while mediocrity rides on the backs of connections and conformity. It's a system designed to stall you, to keep today's order alive at your expense. But here's the brutal truth. Those gatekeepers are not your saviors. They're your obstacles. They are the walls, the red tape, the endless not ready yet, and the constant will circle back. And while you're stuck waiting for approval, the world accelerates without you. Every second wasted is a chance stolen from your future. You're not just fighting inertia. You're battling an entire structure that's terrified of real change, real disruption, real creators stepping up and rewriting the rules. So what now? Collapse under the weight? Laugh at the absurdity? Number. No, you rise. You don't plead with gatekeepers, you replace them. Here's where it gets electric. Scratch the surface beyond the noise, and the old hierarchies fade. Innovation no longer needs a permission slip. Capital doesn't have to flow through fat portfolios and dusty alumni networks. The future isn't built by committee or legacy. It's carved out by those who dare to build outside the box. The disruptive creator, the wild card, the outlier, the relentless builder, holds the real power. Because those people don't wait. They hunt down connections that matter, not status or title. They use technology to bypass gatekeepers, building their own networks of trust, collaboration, and unique skills. You do this by merging your fiercest individual strengths with a tribe that challenges, pushes, and uplifts. This is no pie-in-the-sky fantasy. It's happening right now, beneath the radar of institutions still clinging to their scripts. Don't just aim to enter the room. Build your own room. Build your own ecosystem. Find those few who think like you, relentless, hungry, no bullshit creators who refuse to settle. Build decentralized webs of partnership that no old guard can control. Hack the system by being smarter and faster. Use transparency and direct accountability to build trust instead of waiting for credentials. Don't seek permission. Grab power through performance. Show a relentless obsession with value, not connections or luck, that forces capital and influence to follow you. This isn't about luck or fate. It is cold, harsh meritocracy. No shortcuts, continuous earning, no identity checks or lineage-based privileges. Just results. Pure, undeniable results. You must burn away comfort and dependence on outdated labels. If you measure your worth by bricks on a wall or who smiles at your CV, you've already lost. The revolution is for those who act, not who wait. For those who see freedom not as a word, but a brutal daily choice to throw off inherited constraints. You need to reject the illusion that the system is your home. Instead, build your identity on relentless becoming. Someone who challenges every limit that's been shoved in your path, whether it's bias, geography, or outdated hierarchies. Because freedom today isn't about fitting in. It is about standing out with grit and laser focus, transforming individuality into unstoppable force. Look around. The old world is crumbling under the weight of its own contradictions. Nationalism, rigid structures, and hierarchical capitalism chokes creativity and suffocates talent. It's time to smash those walls, not with brute force, but with a strategic global network of creators who refuse to be boxed in. You can't fight this with skepticism or cynicism. You must ignite your belief in yourself and in the few who dare to join the fight. Build a matrix of real, raw partnerships that transcend borders, races, industries, and old prejudices. This is not about scaling endlessly, but about sharpening fiercely. Quality over quantity, intensity over comfort. The most dangerous move you can make? Waiting for someone else to give you the green light. The gatekeepers know if they give the keys, they lose control. So they hold tight. They fear creators who refuse to kneel. But here's the explosive truth. The power is shifting. Capital flows where it's demanded by clear value, not slow bureaucracy. Innovation breeds in unregulated spaces where trust is built on merit, transparency, and brutal honesty. Funders who get this are moving fast. Connecting only with creators who understand the game is merit, 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 day in and day out. No excuses, no legacy magic, just intense results. If you're not moving faster than the gatekeepers can blink, you're already behind. You want to win? You must obsess over two things: building unbreakable, complementary networks and relentlessly sharpening your craft every single day. Don't stop developing your skill set. Don't stop pushing boundaries to challenge the limits of current reality. Merely showing up won't cut it. You must come alive with every project. Be a creator so damn good that gatekeepers become irrelevant. They have no choice but to follow your lead or fade into oblivion. Cut the illusions. Your identity is not in inherited privileges or last season's endorsements. It's in your actions, your relentless improvement, your ability to find and fuse with the rare few who will push you beyond what you thought possible. You're not alone, even if it feels that way. Find your tribe. Build a network that ignites your becoming. Demand meritocracy every damn day. Reject anything less. This is how the disruptive creator wins. Not by asking for permission, but by becoming the unstoppable force that rewrites the rules of power, trust, and capital. The truth is harsh. The system will fight you. Hell, the system wants you quiet, compliant, trapped. But you were chosen by your hunger, by your fire, by the silent roar inside that refuses to be dimmed. Use that fire. Build your own damn future. Rip apart the illusion of gatekeepers. Become the architect of a new order, where value, courage, and relentless individualism drive everything. That is meritocracy. Not a fantasy, but the battlefield, where the disruptive creator replaces the tired old institutional gatekeeper. This is your moment. Grab it. Own it. Burn with it.